guys, how you doing? A bit of an update. Basically a couple months it's been a bit manic. We've just come back from Orlando for 3 weeks and we got married, me and my missus, and all the children came. Also obviously I've been struggling to sort out the Fiesta and sell that, so now we've finally sold it with a grand total of, what we do is I basically put on the screen how much we sold it for and everything else, like all the bits and pieces individual. Right, so let's just drop a bit of paper out the window.
You don't drop the paper on the
Yeah, you're a commentator, eh? Yeah, so obviously I bought that Fiesta for 900 quid, put an engine in it, got it all serviced, MOT and everything, and in the end we sold it for 2,600 and it owed 1,431, so a grand total of £1,229 profit.
And that
now,
is a lot.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is that a lot?
Yeah.
That's probably what you spent at Disney. Yeah, so after the Fiesta, obviously I've just bought a bloody Mini, which is, it's alright. It's just a Mini one in cream. Thought it was a decent car, but guess what? I bought it in the dark and it's smoking. So now I have a 97,000 or 94,000 mile Mini. That's going to need the oil stem seals changed, I think, because it's smoking like a trooper. And also slight chain rattle, but hopefully I can have a look at that and sort that out. Paid £1,000 for this one, and obviously there's a little bit of juggling, whatever. Hopefully I should get 18, 17, 16, whatever, I don't know. Bit of profit just to add to the next one. Obviously that leaves me with 5,300 to buy another car, so I don't know whether to sort this out or just go and find another car. At the moment, this market buying and selling cars is really shocking. The cars are well overpriced, you cannot find any bargains, and it's starting to get really annoying now. So anyway, this is my little Poppy. Say hello to everybody.
Hi.
Did you have fun at Disney? Yeah? Good. Right, so what I'll do is I'll show you around this car, and yeah, we'll go from there.
But we need to wash it.
We need to wash it?
Yeah, together.
Are you wanna wash it?
Yeah, I'll record today.
There's no point washing it if it's not fixed. But what we do is we could wash it tomorrow. Oh no,
Today.
you're at school. Today?
Yeah.
Maybe. Anyway, nice warning light on a good old Mini. So let's do a little walk around. It's got full service history, which is good. It's not got the chili pack, so it's not digital, but the aircon works. It's nice and clean. The interior is very clean, and I'll show you around it now. Right, so that's all the interior. Needs a bit of a clean on the seats. Chairs are really good condition, no tears, no nothing. It's done 94,000. Hang on, let's show people the car. So this is it, 59 plate. It's really clean. It needs just a good old flipping cars and repairs clean up on it. But look at that, nice and clean. I'll see the side. And hold the camera. Alright, hang on then. Boot all opens. It's even still got all this, which you don't normally see. Hasn't actually been touched. Right, let's have a look in there. Look at this. Don't normally see this, do you? Look at that. Not even been used. Literally brand spanking new. Not even the toe. Look, how clean is this? When do you see one that clean? So that tells you something, that this car used to be good, but obviously not no more. The jack has a little tiny bit of oil on it, but that's never been used. So yeah. Alright, I'll let you have a go in 2 seconds, Pops. Oh. Right, bip. So that's that. tyres, which are all bloody like
I
literally
need to go, Daddy.
brand new, which is brilliant. Wheels need a good old clean. A little bit of rust there, which is just easy to sort out. Apart from that, it's actually a beautiful car. No fuel in it, but sounds like it's got some sort of tension or something loose. And then the smoke, ready? You can't see it actually in this light, but I can smell it, and it bloody reeks. So now I've also got this warning light, because I just put it on the computer to code it. So that's just a bit of an update, guys, of the car I bought next. So if you like this sort of content, please like and subscribe, because only 99% of my subscribers have actually subscribed, which sucks a bit. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subs, which would be amazing. And I'm on about 500 and something, I think, near 600, 550. So see you soon, guys. Take it easy. Bye.